Hey everyone, welcome back. From today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of JavaScript. Whether you're new to programming or looking to brush up on your skills, this video will provide you with a solid introduction to JavaScript. We'll cover its history, how to set it up in Visual Studio Code, and how to run it using Live Server. So let's get started. First, let's talk about what JavaScript is and why it's so important. JavaScript is a versatile and powerful programming language primarily used to create dynamic content on websites. It allows developers to implement complex features like interactive forms, animations, and real-time updates without needing to reload the page. JavaScript is an essential part of the web development trio, along with HTML and CSS. While HTML provides the structure and CSS handles the styling, JavaScript adds the behavior that makes web pages come alive. Think of it like this: a skeleton is just the HTML of a body. When we add skin to it, it becomes HTML and CSS. And when we add a brain and nerves and organs that need a body to function, it's called JavaScript. Now, let's take a brief look at the history of JavaScript. JavaScript was created in 1995 by Brendan Eich while he was working at Netscape Communications. Initially, it was called Mocha, then renamed to LiveScript, and finally to JavaScript. Despite its name, JavaScript is not related to Java. Over the years, JavaScript has evolved significantly with the introduction of frameworks and libraries like React, Angular, and Vue, making it an even more powerful tool for developers. Alright, now that we have a basic understanding of JavaScript, let's move on to setting it up in Visual Studio Code. If you don't have VS Code installed yet, you can download it from the official site of VS Code. I will provide its link in the description. Once you have VS Code installed, open it up and follow these steps. First, create a new folder for your project and open it in VS Code. Next, create a new file and name it index.html. Inside index.html, set up a basic HTML structure. Now, create another file in the same folder and name it script.js. In script.js, let's write a simple JavaScript code. Console. Log. Hello, world. To see our JavaScript code in action, we'll use an extension called Live Server. Go to the Extensions view in VS Code by clicking on the square icon in the sidebar or pressing Ctrl+Shift+X. Search for Live Server and install the extension by Ritvika Day. After installing, right-click on index.html and select Open with Live Server. This will open your index.html file in your default web browser. To link your HTML file with JavaScript, you can use script tag in HTML. Script, src, equals script.js. Now you just have to right-click on the HTML page, click on Inspect, and go to Console. As you can see, it displays the message Hello World. And that's how JavaScript works in web development. And that's it. You've successfully set up JavaScript in Visual Studio Code and run it using Live Server. This is just the beginning of your journey with JavaScript. There's so much more to explore and learn. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more programming tutorials. Thanks for watching.